So how much does the new 990 RCR weigh? Well, we're gonna try to find out today. So according to internet lore, it's about 405 pounds dry, so no fluids in it, and then 430 pounds wet. Well, I can't measure dry, so let's measure wet. And start by adding some fuel. And fun fact, this fuel thingy, fill cap, whatever you call it, opens forward. I've never seen one like this. Rather interesting to me. And what we're going to be using to measure weight are these normal at-home scales. No, I'm not buying one of the super fancy motorcycle weighted scales, and I'm not taking it anywhere. And well, for any future modifications, this is my only option. So it may not be that accurate, but it provides me at least a baseline for everything moving forward. And if you haven't used one of these before, I mean, it works. I've already weighed these two, and you'd be surprised with the numbers that it came out to. This, my KTM 690 SMCR, came in at 337 pounds, which seems pretty light. I mean, for what it is, it's kind of heavy. Either way, this 990 Adventure came in at 505 pounds. That's a big one. That's heavy. And to make sure these scales are as accurate as I say they are, here's 10 pounds. And I'm going to set it on there, and we're reading, let's see, try this one. 10 pounds exactly. And 9.8. So close enough. I'm then gonna place these in front of the front wheel and in front of the rear wheel. So all I have to do is push the bike onto them, read what the scale says, and roll it back off. But we're gonna do it a couple times just to make sure. So in total, after using this archaic method to weigh this bike, after 4 different rounds, I got a total of 446 pounds on the first one, 446 pounds on the second one, 440 pounds on the third one, and 438 pounds on the last one. So I'm going to assume it's probably right in that 440, 442 range. Obviously some hiccups here and there, but the reason why I wanted to do this, and the reason why it's, well, just an at-home method that I use to kind of track weights as I go throughout modifying in the track season, is just because, well, it's the easiest way to do it. I'm not taking it anywhere, I'm not buying professional scales. It is what it is, and it gives me at least a general basis of what this thing actually weighs. I'd be interested to see what it looks like when I take mirrors off, when I get the new exhaust, when I go through the entire track prep, I get rid of these freaking turn signals, and this thing is lightened up as much as possible. So yeah, at least this is my method, and now I've got baseline numbers that I can work off of when I start modifying it, and I don't have to go anywhere. But if you have a better way of doing this, or a different method yourself at home, put it in the comments down below. But I hope you're ready for a whole bunch of videos around this new bike. I am beyond excited. So with that, remember, keep riding.